Auto Fanatic CT coming at you with another video. It's going to be the Angel Eyes LED install. Get rid of those ugly halogen bulbs. Please do the world a favor. So this is what it looks like typically from BMW. Again, please disregard my eyeball over there facing the other way. That will be repaired on another later date. But yeah, so that's it. Time to get rid of that. Which this is what is basically in there. See if I can focus here. Yep. This is what comes in there. Just a basic old halogen H8. So, what everyone typically does, they order the Lux. I'm not doing that. We're gonna do this one here. Let's see. We're gonna do this right here. Right from Amazon, baby. Prime. I think these were about 20 bucks or so. I'll double check. But this fits H8, H11, H16. Really nice design. Compared to the halogen. Let's put them side by side for a second here so you can get the full idea of what a difference. You're talking about a plastic housing to a metal housing. This one actually has like a fan-like design, so it stays nice and cool. It runs less energy, and yeah, it's gonna look night and day from this till you'll see what. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the air box out to give myself a little bit more room, which right around that area there I have to pull out the bulb, and also I'm going to take this off, which will then take this off, which will take this off, so I can work efficiently. Sometimes working more efficiently saves you a lot more time. It may seem like you're doing things you don't need to do, but it really does come in handy. I have my M18 Milwaukee with the T20, in case you're wondering. T20 goes in right there. And yeah, so I'm going to be pulling all this off, and then as I pull it off, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to clean all the plastic before I put it back on. This stuff looks disgusting. Look at this. It's like people don't even look under their hood. They can care less what under their hood looks like. Me, I can't help myself. This is unacceptable. It's what people can't see that, I like to make sure it looks nice and clean. So anyways, guys, we're going to put you on a quick pause. It's going to be movie magic. Little by little, you're going to start seeing things progress. Boom, bit, and it's out. Very nice. So now, look at all the room for activities. I mean, this is just exactly what you want. That's what I'm getting into right there. So look at the access, man. This is what I'm talking about, everybody. Make sure when you're working on your car, take the few extra steps to remove certain things to give yourself plenty of room so that you can actually work on your car properly. All right, movie magic. Just wanted to show you guys something too, in case you want to do this yourself. So there is a little piece that needs to be removed if you have an LCI. I'm trying to zoom in on it. So that right there, that black piece right there, needs to be popped off with a flathead screwdriver. You just literally, from the bottom portion, so let me see if I can get my finger in there. So there's the bottom portion right there. You kind of push it off like that. It pops off, it's completely fine. That will not allow you to put the headlight or the halogen bulb back in because of the space. And yeah, you gotta pop that off. So figure that will be handy for you guys to know. Alright guys, it's in. Now I know what you're thinking. What the heck is going on with this green strobe light here? But it does not strobe like that in real life. If you've watched any videos where LEDs are on there, this is just the way the camera captures the LED. It is a solid, beautiful, nice, kind of crisp white. I wish you guys could see it better on video, but anyways, I did get it in there. Pause. That is what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna put the cap back on and move on to the next one. Can't help myself, look. Just a little bit, man. Just a little bit of cleaning goes such a long way. Clean up a little bit. Come on, guys. It's not just about getting the job done, man. It's about getting it done right. You know, and this, I'm not going to just leave it like this, but clean it up. Have some pride. You know, look, this is what I have sitting here, man. But you know what? I'm still cleaning my stuff here. Have pride for what you have. I grew up and I was very fortunate to have whatever my dad was able to provide, whatever my mom was able to provide us. But that's something that's stuck with me. So the little things, man. Does this pop off? Oh man, I wish it did. I think it's just kind of stuck on there, but hit it with some quick spray wax. You'd be amazed what it does. Look at this. Have some pride. Have some freaking pride. Look at that. I love it, man. I love it. It looks like... Look at this. This went from like a LED video to watch this video. See, little things like this makes a big difference. It's incredible. Look, man. Look at before and after. I'm not saying cake your car with a bunch of Armor All. First of all, this is just a quick spray wax. It's not even Armor All. But just have a little bit of love for your cars, man. I always feel like cars know when you take care of them. Even if something like this, it's like a little shower, a little bath for them. It makes a big difference, man. This is just quick. This is like a quick, detail. Boom, boom, boom. Done. I'm in there. I'm going to clean it real quick. Look at that difference. Wow. Anyways, we're going to get back to what we were actually doing.